Which are the strongest VPN? RK Shuvo says, CoverMeVPN is the strongest VPN in this time. It is the best, secure, safest VPN in the world. You can use CoverMeVPN without any doubt. This VPN hides your IP address and information from the hackers. CoverMeVPN use the most advanced security systems, AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, which is also known as Military-Grade Encryption. This system's used by the government, intelligence groups and cybersecurity expertise. For using this advanced system, the CoverMeVPN is the strongest VPN in this time. Sikto Tusher says, a thorough investigation and a fundamental understanding of the security measures required to secure the protection of your information is important in order to select an appropriate VPN provider. By asking the correct questions and consulting reliable VPN review sites, you may make the difference between having your security breached and choosing a firm that is unable to keep prying eyes from reading vital information. By taking advantage of a free trial, you may learn about encryption mechanisms, the importance of speed, and the accessibility of a service, ensuring that you make an informed purchasing decision. Wendell says, Deeper Connect Pico is the world's thinnest, lightest, smallest, and yet the most unique and powerful cybersecurity hardware device, which integrates a 7-layer enterprise-grade firewall and the world's one and only decentralized VPN, DPN. Pico continues the legacy of the Deeper Connect family of products with the same plug-and-play setup and all the familiar features, providing convenience for people who travel frequently. With an included Wi-Fi adapter, you can enjoy a safe and fast private network anytime and anywhere, whether you are at home or on the go. Highlights of Deeper Connect Pico: $0 subscription in a lifetime. Decentralized VPN, DPN. Ad blocker. Enterprise-grade cybersecurity. One-click parental control. Plug-and-play, zero configuration. And more. Thanks for watching our video on which are the strongest VPN.